The second area of engagement and support that we offer is our workshops. So some examples of some of the workshops that we offer are composting for planet Earth, because we all know that when we place organics in the landfill, that creates methane, thus heating our Earth's atmosphere more, as opposed to composting our organics and enriching our soil. Another example of the kind of workshop we offer is transitioning to a plant-based diet for Earth justice. And we feel strongly about moving people towards a plant-based diet because we know that eating a plant-based diet is healthier for our bodies and healthier for planet Earth, as meat and dairy production creates vast amounts of fossil fuel. Some estimates, 60% globally. And also because it's better for our animals. We know that the factory farming industry is incredibly cruel, and so it's better for our psyches also to move towards a plant-based diet. And another kind of workshop we offer is our breastfeeding and support gathering group. And this is a group that gets together to offer support to one another in promoting breastfeeding long term, because we know that breastfeeding our babies and youngins is much better for our babies and for the health of mother, and also for planet Earth, because formula production is a high energy use industry. And we know that not all women can breastfeed, and we recognize that. Workshop we offer is Create and Sip, bringing nature indoors. And this is an opportunity to gather with others and create nature art. And we have a lot of really fun nature objects that you can bring in to create some beautiful nature art.